Welcome back everyone, it's me, the e-bike cowboy, and for today's video, we're going to be checking out the Warp 9 frame brace. So, let's get to it.
Hi, this is MX Electric. Today we're going to put in the frame brace. Warp 9 brought this brace out. It's going to clamp right around the bearing cup here on the frame, just to reinforce it, because people landing off big jumps and it was tending to waller it out, and when it does that you just have a bunch of play back and forth and there's nothing you can do. So basically you got to scrap the frame. So they brought out this little reinforcement ring. So it's aluminum. It's just going to strengthen that. It's only $20, so you know, it should be pretty easy to put in, and for 20 bucks, why risk losing a frame that, you know, could cost hundreds? So I cut my stem when I put these Fast Ace forks, and I'm running the Warp 9 stem lock, which is also a really good product. You know, instead of the star nut down in there, this latches it in. I have my fender on it, so I don't think I'm going to have to try to hold it with a crescent wrench on the other ends. So you just take this out, or if you have the star nut, same thing, you just take this nut off. We're going to try to do this by just loosening up the top triple clamp bolts, and hopefully we can just slide that off. We'll have enough, you know, play in the wires. So that way we don't have to pull the handlebars off. We can just lift the whole triple clamp, and then that's all we should have to do. There we go. Set this over here. You can buy these little Allen head sockets, and they work so good. You can get them 3/8 or 1/4 inch drive, and it's way easier than trying to use an Allen wrench. It's so much faster. And just loosen them so they're nice and loose. And let's see if we can't just lift this off. Well, we don't want to do that. Okay, so you might have to watch it because sometimes the forks just want to come out. So, but now that it's all easy to get to, this bearing cup, or this bearing brace, just goes right here. I'm going to put it over because there's no, you know, any brake lines or anything this way. And so it's not going to, if you put it here, it'd be in the way of the wires. So I think, you know, maybe about right about there, then nothing's going to be in the way. Okay, let me tighten that down and we'll go from there. Okay, well, we got it installed. So, and then we put the top triple clamp back on. It's off to the side now, so it's not in the way of any wires. Even if this, you know, you bring anything around, it's good. We tighten back up the stem lock. We do that first, tighten that up before you tighten up your triple clamp bolts, just to make sure you don't get any play. Wiggle it to make sure that the bearing's all the way seated. Yeah, everything's looking good, I believe. Yep, so I don't see any problems. And that's about it. And then you can just check the tension. Don't tighten it so much that you break it, but just give it a good, there we go. And you can already feel that it's just strengthened right here, so that's good. Okay, well, that's it. It only took about not even 10 minutes. It's $20. And it's just going to give your frame an extra strength so you don't have a problem later on. Okay, well, thank you. Too hip, gotta go.
Well, that was the install of the Warp 9 frame brace. I'm going to leave a link down below for you guys so that you can get it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've been enjoying my content, why not consider subscribing? And I'll see you next time, my amigos.